Hello, hope everyone's doing well and your week is moving along and you're getting things done that you need to. I wanted to talk just a little bit about some assignments and make sure that we're all on the same page. And so we are getting close to the paper. I know I'm saying it a lot. I'll say it to you every time, just so that you guys start thinking and processing through the preparation that you need to make sure is happening now so that when it comes up to the paper, your final project, and so it's a big grade for everybody, you need to use this time. So I'm going to try really hard not to introduce any new things and give you time. And so these assignments, I know it doesn't make a lot of sense, but it's to try and help you understand as you are writing your paper. And when we have videos, Mr. Wang's doing some videos and I'm trying to do some videos, and there's things that we're doing to give you some assistance in understanding the steps and the process and the ultimate goal of turning in your interpretation project. The first thing I want to say, and I think some people still may not have a clear picture on this, is but you have to use one of the passages that I've given you the option to choose from. They're on the bulletin board. You can find them there for your class. Just go to our class bulletin board and the verses are there if you're ever confused. And those are the ones that you guys are going to use for your project and also for these assignments that we're doing. And the point is, and the main focus is for you guys to be really familiar with your verse, your passage, I should say, and to understand those verses. And the more you read it, the more you're going to be able to gain some understanding. So what we're going to do today is you are going to look at several videos. So the first one is Mr. Wang is going to present a character study. And so you're going to read your passage again from the viewpoint of one of the characters in it. So his video is extremely helpful. And I want you to follow the things that he's calling you to do, starting with the warm-up. So we'll do our regular psalm. I'm going to move us ahead to Psalm 100, and then you're going to watch the video. And he has a simple warm-up in there, which is really good. And then going into the character study. So the assignment's basically going to be for you to write like a section of a diary. If you were one of the characters there, what do you think the character would feel? What are they sensing? What are they seeing and experiencing? It doesn't have to be Jesus, and it doesn't have to be one of the main characters, but just somebody who's mentioned. So if you're not really clear about this, and I'm probably not explaining it well, Mr. Wang's video talks really specifically about that. So watch it carefully. The second video is Mr. Wang's going to discuss using biblical commentaries. You do not have to do the assignments associated with the commentary video. I made it open for extra credit. If you want to do that, you're welcome to. So make sure you look it over. I'll attach the commentaries that you would need for your passages and watch that commentary video just to help you. It's just an aid in you writing your paper. The third video is going to be a Bible project selection, and it's talking about different characters in the biblical narrative. So watch that just again as a help. And then there's this video. So as always, I just want you to know my prayers are with you, and I think about you guys often. Always open for any questions. If you're having problems with your internet, and I understand because I have it here as well, just let me know. Try to figure a way to let me know and say, hey, I can't get my things done on time. This is what's happening. And it helps me to be able to process through. I will always contact you and see what's going on. But just so you know, if there's an expected due date, I need to hear something from you like, hey, can't get it done, need a little more time, and then we can process through that together. I hope that all makes sense. Guys, this paper is going to be really good. I'm excited about reading them. And just to get you started to think about your presentation, since we're not going to be able to be together, the presentation part will be you filming yourself. And so you could do it in a couple of different ways. One is you could have a PowerPoint presentation and just show me that way. You can make a video and talk about it, but I'll give you some clear guidelines as we get a little bit closer. But I just wanted you to start thinking about that. Remember those dates, May 15th. Rough draft complete. So I'm looking for your complete project, and we'll be able to figure a way to get some people can give some insight into that. May 19th, project is due. That's the completed, finished, already edited project, and then your presentation will be due after that. So we'll have more time to talk about that, but I just wanted you guys to really think about this is the time to step it up about the project. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.